G'day folks, Tom from Bikebiz Motorcycles here, and wow, what a month it has been. April 2021 has delivered another brand new motorcycle to our warehouse. This is the Yamaha MT-09SP. It has been one of the most anticipated motorcycle arrivals this year. Now we're going to do what we usually do. We're going to throw the box off this crate and jump into some of the specifications that this model has to offer. Alrighty, and there you have it, the 2021 MT-09SP machine is finally here. Now you really can tell why this machine is on the top of the list for everyone for 2021. Now it is packed full of specifications and features, and also aesthetically is absolutely stunning. So let's delve a little deeper into this motorcycle and see what it has to offer. Alrighty, let's delve deep into this fantastic machine. Now the engine capacity is enlarged to 889cc by increasing the bore size by 3 millimeters. The most significant improvement, however, is the increased torque output. Maximum torque on the new engine is 93 newton meters and peak torque is achieved at only 7,000 RPM. Now, as the other MT-09 models, the Yamaha CF technology has enabled the thinnest wall section on any Yamaha die-cast frame ever. Now this motorcycle has a premium KYB front suspension and an Öhlins rear shock absorber. This machine comes with LED projector lighting and 6-axis IMU. Now something that I think is absolutely fantastic for these machines is the brand new cruise control. So in addition to the comprehensive electronic rider aids featured on the standard 2021 MT-09, the premium MT-09SP is also equipped with a cruise control system that enhances the overall riding experience. This machine comes with 10-spoke spin forged wheels and a full color TFT instrument. The new 3.5-inch TFT full color display shows clear and precise data, as lightweight construction and mid-size layout has been chosen to blend seamlessly with the new LED headlight assembly and maintain the compact and agile feeling from the rider's viewpoint. Now the MT-09SP comes with a quick shift system for ultimate acceleration. The SP specific components include features such as the anodized brushed aluminium swing arm, exclusive double stitch seat, anodized black handlebars and levers. This motorcycle is absolutely stunning in person. I really do love the front forks and the 3-tone tank color. Now the rims are that quintessential Yamaha color, and the swing arm is absolutely stunning as well. Alrighty, and there you have it, the 2021 Yamaha MT-09SP. Isn't it absolutely stunning? I can't get the smile off my face. Come and check this machine out for yourself at our Parramatta location. I'll also leave our phone number in the comment section below, so make sure you give one of our sales representatives a call today. I'm Tom from Bikebiz Motorcycles. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you at the store.